The following message has been transmitted at the request of the FDA and the United States Department of Health. There have been many reports coming in that the lunch combo pizza that the company Little Caesars was giving away free across the United States today have been contaminated with an unknown virus. The origin of where this virus came from is unknown. However, the symptoms of this virus include headache, nausea, vomiting, chest pains, bleeding from the eyes and nose, yellowing of the skin, random red bruises appearing on the body, and a fever of 102 or higher. If you have eaten any pizza from Little Caesars, including the lunch combo, and are showing these symptoms, call 911 immediately, as you will show these symptoms within 30 minutes after consumption. Every resident in the United States is advised to follow these instructions. Do not eat any more pizza that has come from Little Caesars. Put the pizza in the box where it came from, and the National Guard will come and take it to an undisclosed location. All Little Caesars locations in the United States have been closed until the situation is over. Do not throw the pizza away in the garbage, as it needs to be disposed in a proper manner. Stay tuned to this station for more updates on this developing situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Center of Disease Control. This is an update on the earlier virus situation with Little Caesars. The virus, now known as the Chessy fever, has worsened as hospitals are filling up with patients that consume pizza from Little Caesars. Health officials confirmed that even those who didn't consume pizza can catch this virus from those who are infected. It has been reported that the symptoms of the Chessy fever now include, but not limited to, headache, nausea, coughing, sneezing, sweating, dry mouth, muscle spasms, vomiting, chest pains, bleeding from the eyes and nose, yellowing of the skin, random red bruises appearing on the body, and a fever of 102 degrees or higher. It has also been reported that all the patients that haven't been treated in time have died from massive heart attacks. One doctor reported that when they did an autopsy on a patient that has died from the virus, the patient's heart was a yellow color, as they confirmed that the Chessy virus fills the heart up with fat very fast, making the heart unable to pump blood throughout the body, causing massive heart attacks. Approximately 200,000 patients have already died from this virus. This is a very dangerous situation and should be taken seriously. If you show any symptoms of the Chessy fever, head to the nearest hospital immediately, as victims who contain this virus only have 1 hour to get the proper treatment. At this time, every resident in the United States should seal all cracks in windows and doors, turn off heating and ventilation systems, and don't let anyone in or out of your residency. Keep a battery-powered radio in case of a power outage. Stay tuned for updates.